Hi viewers, it's me Paul again and welcome to another segment of this HP Stream 11. So on the first video I replaced the power jack, which is there, it's now charged. I'm now going to put the keyboard, mouse and this whole rest back on. So all I need to do is reconnect the power, mouse pad and the keyboard connection. So I'm just going to put it on this way at an angle, there we go. And I'm just going to feed it back in. So I'm just going to do this very carefully. Then we'll fire it back up again. Right, that's the power switch back in. That's that one there. Don't know if you can see that on camera. This middle one here is the mouse pad. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way. So this one here is the mouse pad, or touchpad as they call it. So I don't want to stretch it too much. So I'm just going to put that in this one here. Have to hold it up. Oh, oops, I don't want to jolt it. Very fiddly this. You have to get it right in there without moving anything else. Okay, just there. There we go. Sorry if my hand was in the way. So that's your mouse pad, there we go. And then this one here, oh sorry, this one here is the keyboard, which is that one there. I'm just going to feed that back in very gently so you can see it. There we go. Now I'm just going to show you close up so you can see. So the cable on the left, which is that one there, that's the power switch on off. This one here, just above the wireless card. So that connection there, don't know if you can see it, yeah, that one there, that's for the mouse pad. And then this one here, this black ribbon here, that connection there, that's for the keyboard. And there we go. Now all I need to do now is to get this machine fired up. So we're just going to put it like that. Let's turn it on and let's see what it does. Hooray! It's alive, HP. There we go. It's working. It's alive. Please wait. Princess Poppy. Oh, okay. There's an account on it. Right, let's just wait for it to do its thing. Mouse is working. Yeah, I'll give this a clean up as well. There we go. So it's doing something. Windows update. There we go. Piece of cake. All due to a faulty power jack. Awesome. There we go. And let's see what Windows this is on. Oh, okay, update flash. Sorry. Move the camera there. I'm holding the camera at the same time. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Right, okay. Windows. Okay. Let's see what Windows this is. I won't go into detail whatever's on this. Oh, it's Windows 8. Okay, that's alright. Sorry about the camera there. So what I'll do is I'll go through this off camera and then we'll just reset it to Windows 10. Oh, it looks alright. Looks good. Mouse is responding. Hard drive is filled up, so I'll probably have to do it by BIOS and delete it manually, but I'll go through it. Okay, that's all good. Another machine restored. HP Stream 11. Thank you so much everyone on YouTube viewers, subscribers. Feel free to give us that like, subscribe, make a comment if you wish, and I hope this video helps. Right, I'm signing off on this lovely Thursday afternoon. I'll see you all very soon. Signing off. Bye.